Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jennifer. Happy birthday to you.
I have the craziest hair, but I'm allowed to because today's my birthday. Today is November 6th in New Zealand. It's still technically November 5th in the United States. But I told Owen that means I get to celebrate my New Zealand birthday and my United States of America birthday. But joking aside, today's my birthday. Owen was so sweet and had some little gifts for me here. He already gave me some of my gifts before we left on the trip. But it's just like, this is just what I wanted, to wake up to this view. There you go, you can see it now. This view in this little Airbnb, and I have some yummy coffee, and I have a mimosa, and we're about to make breakfast here and enjoy the view and the peace and the calm and start my 30th birthday off just like this. I can't believe that I'm 30. Oh my gosh. Chef Frederick, how are you doing today?
Great. Amazing.
Look at this breakfast Owen made me. Yum. Okay, we are about to go hiking. I think it's called Mercer Bay Loop or something.
Mercer Bay Loop Walk.
Mercer Bay Loop Walk has phenomenal views of the beach apparently, but we don't have service out here, which is great, but that means that we're going to try to find our way using maps. Whoa.
Like atlas.
Whoa.
Old
Remember
school.
that when you just had to use maps? So that's what we're gonna do. Okay, we made it. And there's this huge thing here in New Zealand about, let's see, making sure that there's no pests, or it's pest control or something.
And the fungus.
And the fungus. So whenever you leave, you have to scrub your shoes. It's like on every trailhead, I guess, because they don't want soil on your footwear. It's very interesting. Oh, what's this? Let's go down this. The water here is so blue. Wow. Oh my gosh. What do you think?
This is freaking awesome.
It's pretty overcast today, but it's still warm out. It was freezing this morning, but it's definitely heated up. And I have my sunscreen on because apparently the burn time here is like 15 minutes. So for me, that means the burn time is like 30 seconds. Why is that so funny looking to me?
It was a bad day right there.
It's a bad day. That's incredible. What is this little statue? It's like twerking. Whoa. Spiritual guardianship. It just goes on and on and on.
Getting all the bad dirt off.
Okay, so we're done with that really awesome hike. It wasn't too long, but it was a straight incline on the way back, and I was like sweating, and Owen was very sweaty, is very sweaty. But we decided to go to Piha Beach, and it's absolutely stunning. So if I get a good view, I'm gonna show you. There are mansions tucked away in every single place of these forests. Like, it just is never ending. I've never seen anything like this. It's just, there are so many mansions here. I don't understand. Like, all of these roads go up to a mansion, and then you can see it in the hills, and it's just crazy. And they're so expensive, so I don't know how everybody has this much money. Like, what they're doing in Auckland, New Zealand to have this much money. What do you think it is?
I have no idea, because this is, like, I don't think anybody's commuting from here to Auckland every day. Maybe they are. But yeah, these are huge houses.
It's just
ridiculous.
Just crazy. Really cool. Okay, we are at Piha Beach, and this is Lion Rock. We were gonna get in our bathing suits, but we decided no. Sand is so warm and so soft, feels so good. Is it cold? Woo! cold. Oh my gosh. That's some cold water. Yeah, this isn't bathing suit weather. The water's freezing. And it's overcast and windy and cold. But it's beautiful. Woo! Oh, it's cold. Ah! Woo, that's chilly. His and her blankets. Oh, chairs are all up. Owen's taking me out for dinner for my birthday. He just surprised me. We're at some beautiful like winery restaurant place, right?
That's right.
It's called the Hunting Lodge. So I think it's gonna be good. We got pretty dressed up, even if we didn't have to, because I'm 30 and I can do whatever I want. Buttermilk chicken with some pickles to start. All right, this is Owen's meal and it smells incredible. It's lamb, right?
From right up the road.
Lamb from right up the road. And I have pork and braised cabbage pie, mashed potatoes and broccoli, and it also smells delicious. I got surprised with this massive cake. Oh, it is beautiful. This is beautiful, but it's so big. Owen just strapped in
Making a freaking mess.
the cake. Got icing everywhere. It's all right.
It's a rental.
It's a rental. There's a rat in the roof. Well, that is a wrap for today. Owen and I are back at our Airbnb and we decided we are going to go outside and hot tub under the stars and then head to bed. So I will catch up with you all tomorrow. Bye. The rat is scratching.